4 oras kitang inire. Idiot, walang epidural. In English, I carried you for 9 years. Nakita mo itong hawak ko, ha? Baka dumulas.
Doesn't feel the truth, Mama Lulu.
Hindi ako putang ina mo. Yung pilit mo, bakit hindi ikaw? Ano ba naman, Oliver? Sa dami ng dapat mo ipagmalaki, yan ang pinagmamalaki mo sa akin? Hindi ka ba naman isang damukan na idiot? Si Mariosep, malis ka dyan! Iharap mo sa akin yung camera, tawa ka ng tawa. Ano ba nakakatawa sa akin?
Nothing, I'm just laughing.
Idiot ka. Pumunta ka ron, manood ka ng television, no? Maghanap ka na nakakatawa. Yun, tumawa ka ng tumawa. Tangina ka. Tangina ka kanina, tinanong kita kung gusto mo, sabi mo ayaw mo. Idiot!
Speak slowly, I can't understand.
Gilan mo ako, ha? Huwag mo akong busitin.
I only have a salad.
Salad! Salad mo yung sarili mo. I don't know how to do it. That's why I'm teaching you. A lot of people told me that I look like Talia.
Who the hell said that?
The people.
How many pounds are you?
100.
I think you're only 85.
That's it. 1/4 na lang to, oh. Oh,
It's good. I thought it was gummy bears.
naku, it's not good.
Well, it's emergency, so like I got more vitamin C.
You will go to emergency. Idiot.
Are you really too gay?
Yes, of course.
Like how gay?
Exaggerated. Life is like a life. What is life? Period.
Okay, Mom, what's in your purse?
Why do you have an orange? The creamy. Because sometimes I want to coffee. I meant to. Of course, I am a
Vicks! Vicks!
because it's a
That's a whole ass dinosaur, Mom!
face.
That's dinosaur.
Tang ina. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun, idiot?
I'm excited.
O, tumahimik ka nga. O, kainin mo to.
Look at that.
May sabi ito. Tang ina ka, tumigil ka. The betrayal I feel as a mother is intense. Oh, ang dami.
Hindi, konti lang naman.
Just taste it.
Ang asim! Putang ina nyo!
Halo, halo.
We're not going anywhere. If you get my point.
Nut butter, cabinet. Left, 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 left. Left, idiot.
Ayusin mo yung sarili mo. O, tingnan mo. Ano yung ginagawa mo?
Yes.
Vicks, Bengay, and Band-Aid.